Come on, guys, 2 more.
Careful, guys, not too many or you'll mess it up, okay? Thank you.
I can't click anymore, so.
Just click it 1 time.
Okay, do we have 10?
Yes, we know. I know, Swagger. I have them up.
If you
We're
go to
doing this
mini,
thing and I'm recalling.
Belinda.
they're piling in Belinda.
If you clicked and then you stepped to, okay, good. Hold on. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Next. One more.
Come on, guys, we need to get it done. I have to recall.
I gotta lock them chasing below Snowfall Bridge coming at that summit.
Can we get it summoned, please? Can we click it? Click on the bottom. There's a brown ring. We need it clicked.
Once you click,
There we
do
go.
not move.
Okay, recalling.
Yep, okay.
Back
Now on to the field of strife.
Here he is.
Recallers.
I need people
need
at mini.
2
They're,
with
they're
me.
all just running through mini choker. Need some people at mini.
Yeah, now I'm gonna get screwed. Backup's gonna get screwed.
We didn't need to.
Oh, come on back, everybody. Pull back to the ice lord if you're at the field of strife.
Yeah, if you're in the field,
I don't think he's gonna move up for a little while.
10 minutes in the field before we go anywhere.
Just basically
Someone
make
put
a
a mark on the
circle
ice
around
lord.
him, guys, and if somebody tries to kite
Right,
him
he's
like
like
now,
trying to own
burn
this
them
hunter.
down.
We gotta be aware of our far right here, because that's the area he probably won't go.
Yep.
They're gonna try and sneak out, like behind Stoner Bunker.
Okay, do you need help in the
Oh,
keep or
here
are
he
you
goes.
okay?
Okay, grab
Come on.
Go grab relief up, please.
No, he might be being kited. You have to
Spinning
watch
relief.
that.
Yeah.
If he's
stay ahead of him,
moving
keep
already, he's being kited.
He doesn't have to get the KBs, so you can kill everything.
Yes, you can heal him.
Yes, heal him.
Buff him, heal him.
Buff
Just
And
think
don't let him be
Ashran.
kited. He should not be leaving field.
Just
He
think
should not be leaving
Ashran.
field of strife yet.
Yeah, he can, I think, right? He grows as he moves.
No. He's being
time.
kited
He has
if
to
he's
stay
leaving
here
the
for
field
10
of
minutes.
strife.
It's okay. He hasn't left the field per se, he's just on the edge shooting a lion.
Oh, okay, that's fine. Yeah,
He's not being
I
pulled.
see him.
Coming back for West.
Oh, yeah, you'll know when he's being kited.
We got it.
They'll run
You'll be able to
Don't worry about what.
It's like a tether.
I've seen a monk actually kite him
There's
back.
like 5 or
towards-
6 Alliance holed up in Stonehearth Bunker.
Okay, that's fine. We'll work on it after.
Yeah, we're good back here.
He's there. He's
He is
someone's
being
fighting.
kited. Get in front of
Oh
him.
God, oh my God.
Get in front of him.
It's that Warpaw. Butcher, okay.
Yep,
he's
he's
going back
reset.
to the field. Luke is angry.
And that's what he will do. He will reset at the last point he had started moving forward from.
So the people who haven't seen it, it's like they don't he's here at all, or I hope it's lived up to your expectations.
I thought he
Giant
was
rock.
bigger than that.
Well,
He
he'll get
gets much
bigger.
bigger.
Oh,
He
he's insane.
gets much
Oh, he
bigger. By
will.
the time he gets to Van, he's freaking humongous.
Once we get down to 200 reinforcement, Krillin will spawn and go in the field. And once the Alliance kill Krillin, he goes Super Saiyan. He turns into a giant rock monster.
Okay, east side.
Is anybody back yet?
TP.
I am in it.
Now they're going around. Look at all the ones going on the far right here. A parade of them.
There's no one at me.
I don't know why.
Your back hip is coming from the keep to mini, guys. Mage just got through. If you can stop him. Locke is getting through.
One into IB2.
Yep, Locke and Mage just went through mini. They're passing Tower Point
Let's
now.
get a few people to hang out on the far right side of the field because they love going behind Stonehearth and hugging that wall, trying to get the mini. You can still see the ice lord.
Yeah.
If you guys are running up from keep, we have a goal. You can stop it. Locke, Mage. I don't even know what else.
We have to let back engage.
Kill those Alliance.
You guys who are with me, let's go into the bunker and wipe these guys.
If anybody else wants to join the bunker, go for it.
I'll stick with the Ice Lord. Even though he really doesn't need my heal.
DPS. Just need 2 DPS with me.
Well, he doesn't at the moment, but if a shit ton of them come at him, he may.
They're all in Stoner Bunker.
They're
Oh, south
trying to
and
go
east?
around behind, all the way around Snowfall. Some of them are camped up there. A couple are coming up Snowfall.
Highland
And one I've
SHV,
never
they had
seen
like
is
15
the
in
Alliance version.
They're dying.
I've seen that.
Rogue and Feral at Relief Hub.
Giant
Rogue.
tree.
They're going
Action
all
row.
the way on the other side of Frost.
Snow.
Yeah, Snow. I'm chasing a couple.
You really think we want Stoner? It's ironic. We don't give a shit about it. We're only here to kill that.
Somebody's kite named
Stay
the ones
within
that ran
range of,
around behind
the stairs for
Snowfall.
Stay within range of those top stairs for heal.
Kill the kiter.
He's bubbled.
He's
If you
dead.
have a Ken's mask toy, you can use it on Look.
Minnie's quiet,
Ser-
brisk.
Just killed a Rogue and a Feral in the keep. Moving up now.
Be awesome. Woke went in the bunker.
Res Miyagi.
That would be obnoxious.
Okay, I got 2 coming to Minnie.
I'll res you.
We're on our way. Hold tight at Minnie, you're back up coming from keep.
Hunter over here.
Once
Web
an
always has
injured
that 10-minute
druid
timer
that
going for Look.
just went dark.
"44 tiers."
That's more than tier perfection.
It's not even halfway
Got
over yet.
a couple headed into Minnie. Oh, here
they're
comes
gonna
a
get
shit
hurt.
ton of them down out of Stonehearth.
They really want this bunker.
If you guys from Mini want to go up and check out Loke and shit, you haven't seen them since BC, whatever, let's do it, and we'll come
Yeah,
back and
go
deal
ahead.
with the repercussions. Take some
If you,
screenshots.
if you could turn south toward Mini, if you see the Alliance there, if you could help us out.
Take some
There was
selfie.
Priest. Manowell. In the bunker.
Just be like, what? I haven't seen him since BC.
And a Coonsy.
And kill everything that you see.
Could use a few more in
'Cause
Stonehearth
why not?
bunker, probably.
Thank you.
We have a rogue over here by
Way up,
him,
way up.
an Alliance rogue.
You have a rogue that's just snuck through.
Here you guys go. Get your screenshots. Say cheese with him. Get all his glories in your pictures. Post them all on our Facebook. Say, dude! And I'm going back for Tower
Too
Point.
many in Stonehearth. Just keep coming.
Oh, so many in there.
It's like the gauntlet.
Uh,
How many can you kill?
What the hell are they doing in there? I mean, they think we're gonna take it?
I don't know.
No, this
Holy
is
shit.
what I think.
They're hiding.
I think they're waiting
much.
until Locke gets moving, and then they're going to drop down and move south. That's
Let's
what
just
I
get more people to push in that bunker.
Do you think they're that coordinated?
Big wave.
yes,
Big
I
wave
think.
incoming.
They've been being semi-little small pre-mades of 10 and so 15 or so the last few nights.
Yeah, don't go back to the bunker. Let them come down out of the bunker.
If you have 15 pre-man, you know, in a bunker, yeah, you know what I mean? You have to go
Yeah,
and
fair enough.
And allied pugs are much more
Monk
Trying to
got
slip
through.
through
Accommodating
far right. There's
of
like
pre-made.
Oh, I
There's
see him,
a
I
ton
see
of
him.
them
Way
coming
over
out
by,
of Stonehearth bunker.
Peel back. and
way
grab that
over
group.
by IBGY side. IBGY side.
Yeah, incoming,
Mano up
incoming
priest.
to Mini. Druid right here, Druid right here. Who's
I got IBT. 2 in IBT.
You're gonna have about 10 more in IBT. Let's finish these guys quick. They're going up IBGY.
Can I get some help by the ice line? Iggy's here and needs to die.
IBT's clear. I'm gonna do a 3.
Please let me recap this bunker. It's the last one I need.
Let Karos get it.
Go for it.
He'll get it.
Got some more headed up Snowfall. I think 2.
Turn
That's
around,
what I
Prius,
saw.
and come back to Frostwood Graveyard.
Is there anything that the Alliance could summon on their end?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have
And I
a
have
counterpart.
And I have not seen that since BC.
I can BC
I don't think I've
Ice Lord
ever seen
several
that.
times.
Oh, I have several times.
I've summoned them a bunch of times on Alliance.
Oh, I should. Yeah.
That's the monk
It'd be
trying.
good to see again.
They
Like when an IBT.
the guy, right?
But the monk's dead.
Yeah.
I knew that what that monk
Isn't
was
Ibis
going
like
to try
a
to
tree?
do when it hauled
Yeah.
ass through
Ibis, the
there the
Forest
first
Lord, or
time.
whatever it's called.
I haven't seen him in forever. Whoa. Hunter and IBT.
Ivan or Ibis? I can't remember.
Recall.
Now, if you wanted to coordinate something fun, I know that Stormpike Militia would like to get both of these summoned at the same time. Both sides.
Now that would be
That I
something to
haven't seen since
screenshot.
vanilla.
Yeah.
Never seen that. I only seen that on YouTube.
I saw that in BC, but that I would
I
like
talked
to
to Miss Riz about it.
I saw that
And we-
back in vanilla.
Were any of you guys in the game that we did probably about 3 years ago? I know you probably were, Yaga, but we summoned everything in one game. I think that might have been... Yeah, that was
IBT.
Merrick leading it.
If you're on
That was
back
awesome.
cap, I need help in
Riders, the
IBT.
Reavers,
Like,
the Wind
help.
Rider.
Please, help in IBT.
Back
Come
camp. She's calling for help.
Locust
Stop.
moving forward, it seems.
I'm coming.
Yeah, he's on
We're
the move.
coming. We're coming.
White Locust marching.
Please,
Follow Locust, push up to main show. We
watch,
do
there's
need
a
to
hunter
clear
that
out that
will blow
bunker,
you.
though. They're all gonna go mini once we pass.
We have to make him kite that bunker then. Grab some pets and drag
He's
them
being
below.
kited right now.
Don't kill a
There's-
paladin. Don't kill a paladin.
Or MC one of them and drag them below.
Watch the hunter.
Don't hit that paladin, he's running back towards a bunker. Never mind.
I split tower 140.
Oh, minute.
We got-
I'm trying, buddy. I held them, but that was it. They mad.
We got it. We got it.
Yep.
There's one that just went up in TP.
He's being kited.
Into bow. He's kiting him into bow.
Well,
we
he's
got
gonna
a
fit in
bull
there.
battle
Whoa!
Now that's interesting to
Battle
watch.
might kill him, so we might have to wipe out Battle quick.
Just kill this panda.
No,
Shit.
Val's on attack.
I wonder
don't
why
wanna
he'll
kill
kill
Val,
Val
though.
for us.
No, he doesn't care about that.
No.
You don't want to kill Val.
We gotta get up to Stonehearth Graveyard though and stop the flow of lions from going into the field. Push up the
Yeah.
the
Yeah,
hill.
they're kiting him up there.
It's good if he's holding their attention.
Just keep some healers on
Push him into Stonehearth
the
Graveyard
Ice
now.
Lord.
He will actually graveyard camp.
High road. High road, 5 to 8 high road right now.
You're gonna need some
Coming into mini right now. I'm gonna need people at back cap at mini choke.
It's probably that bunker.
Taki, don't
Push him into
overextend,
Stonehearth.
dude.
Stonehearth Graveyard, push him in. Local camp them.
We're gonna camp him.
He will. He'll stand over
Taki,
the
come on,
spawn and camp.
Need you guys at mini if you are on back cap. Probably gonna need a couple.
I think he's moving in.
Willie,
He wants to
Because
graveyard
he is
spawn.
going to farm the graveyard.
Yep.
That big spawn, let's get in.
Oh,
We are farmers. Dun, 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 dun.
Can we get a B-res, please?
you thought you were insured for this.
So
really
if
only
Lions
insured for this.
complain about farming, just graveyard farming, just say, well, Loke showed me how to do it.
I learned it from Loke, okay?
I learned it from watching.
Sorry,
you,
I'm being silenced out the ass.
Or did Loke move past
I have
Stonehearth
supernova.
Graveyard?
Except he's reset now. Who's
Where is
back
he?
there with him?
Need one
He's
person.
at main choke.
Let's get a cap on
at
Stonehearth
main
Graveyard.
choke.
One person cap Stonehearth. There's gonna be another big spawn. Don't all leave. There it is.
No, they're kiting
Big
him
spawn.
down Death March Road.
Cap Snowfall.
Get that.
No one's calling him, he's just moving.
Cap Stonehearth Graveyard. Wipe what's here and then join Loke.
He's going to the cage.
He's going for a cave farm.
He goes up to Lumber.
No,
He's
he
not
doesn't
being
go to the
kited,
cave.
he's going to Lumber Mill.
Yeah, he just goes up to Lumber
He's got
Mill,
relatives
look
up there.
around a bit,
He likes to drop in, you know.
and then he'll go back down to Death March Road. We need a few more back here.
I
We
need
need a
some
few
people
more
to go
at mini,
south.
please.
A couple people go back.
I'd give me 2 more.
See how
minimum, 2
big he
more.
is now?
I'll come.
Do we need
got-
recallers?
Yes,
So.
go ahead
If you
and
have your
recall to
trinket
get-
on, if you have your trinket on, I need 2 people to recall to the. If
Death
you
March
don't
on
have
the
a
wall.
trinket on, I need 3 DPS to mini choke.
If you're on the push, we're marching with Loke. If not, go back and help back.
I'll
There's a
go ahead
lockout
and
through.
recall.
17 seconds.
You're already a mini, man.
Where to get your
I'm talking
No,
about
but
from
I've
the
got my
front
trinket
line.
on.
I'm talking about from the front line. I don't.
Oh, okay.
If you are on the front line and have your trinket on, I need 2 people from the front line to recall,
3
please.
seconds.
And if you do not have your trinket on the front line, I need 3 DPS at mini.
There'll be no one guarding Stonehearth Graveyard.
Okay, there's 2 in IBT.
Need 1 to go guard Stonehearth.
Yeah,
Oh,
Recalling.
crap.
One person, please go guard Stonehearth Graveyard. We don't want to have to fall back with Loke.
He's
He
being
won't, 'cause he
kited.
won't. We'll just keep going. That guy's kiting him over there.
Alright, let's try to get an IBT. If you're at mini, let's try to get an IBT.
Oh, I killed him.
They're gonna all
Yeah,
get
it's
soaked
100.
through. Yeah, but they're all gonna get through.
Use that
the ones at
lust.
mini.
Use that lust, guys.
But we need to get the tower back.
the mage is on the platform in between east and west. Actually, yeah, you got it.
Keep shooting
Thank you.
fine.
I was worried
There's
about
like 4
leaving you.
people.
You'll
IBT
have to stay
Hunter.
at Snowfall.
Oh, really?
Recap it if it gets taken.
We're released finally.
You ready, Trish?
Thank
What do you
you.
want to do?
Need
Yeah.
people in
Help with
IBT.
IBT.
Dust, if you're with
Right
us,
there.
please come into IBT. I don't know if you're with us or not. Kill them
Resident
later.
5.
IBT is down to a minute
Yeah,
40.
he is. He's getting CC'd. He's trying to get.
Dust is right in front of IBT. That's what I was
I
talking
know. I was watching him getting CC'd in front of IBT while I was resident. He's trying.
I wonder how hard.
SHGY.
Alright, at this point either
Needs help now.
knock them
Mage
out,
is going back
knock
up east.
them
I need
out.
one to go back to SHGY
Knock them-
quickly.
It's like 5 of them about to hit SHGY now. I count 1v5. 1v7.
Alright, keep go ahead and get Frostwolf Graveyard,
Guys, we
please.
need
If you're at Mini, we'll go
Spin
ahead
it,
and
I'm
move
running
up
back.
to... Yes,
I need more
we're
people
gonna
to
get-
run back
Stonehurst
for
Graveyard.
SHGY.
We're all gonna have to turn around.
Do we need to cap Stormpike?
Yeah. Tap it, please.
Lacolar is going over the bridge.
Spawns
spinning
up back here in
PvPs,
the
I'm almost there.
graveyard, guys.
Yeah.
Be especially careful with him going over the bridge, because they'll try and kite him into van, and then it's over.
I might have held SHGY long enough.
Yeah, you're fine.
Oh, no.
Taps in. Yeah, they can't spin it when it's under 10.
Good job.
He's at
Alright guys,
van.
turn around for SHGY, we need help.
You have,
Someone to go
you
SHGY
have
right now.
mini cap. You have
trying to pull
mini
him into
cap.
Yeah, he's going into van. He's in
Well,
van.
that's his endpoint, regardless, and that's where he died. That's just where he died.
Yeah.
So heal him when he goes into van. That's usually all.
Push him into Stormpike
can,
and farm
but-
him in Stormpike Graveyard. Stormpike 8, I mean.
Okay, they just took Stonehurst.
We need SHGY, guys.
There's like 6 of them here, including heal.
Okay, mini cap.
That
Mini
is a little pre-made, that warrior and monk.
Mini choke should be at Stonehurst Graveyard. Keep.
I
go
just saw
ahead
at
and
least
grab
2 or 3 go
Okay.
through mini.
My
Okay.
BRS is on cooldown.
That's
Z.
fine. So, mini
I'm
choke should be
released.
again at Stonehurst Graveyard. The 2 people in the
Yes,
keep
we're
will
going.
grab a Frostwolf
I
Graveyard.
got you, Z.
Graveyard. Yeah, it's Stormpike 8. It's the
Did
farm.
you get that?
Yeah, I did, thank.
What's Lope dead? Big spawn.
He's at full.
It'd be great if he tanked all the marks.
Do we want to cap this?
No, I want to farm him in Stormpike 8. We need more people up there. We lost Stormpike.
More, can you BRS?